Welcome back to Cyrus on Tech Dev, where we focus on building custom software solutions from scratch. I'm Cyrus, and in today's video, we are bypassing expensive automation platforms and building our own decoupled data pipeline from an HTML form directly into JSON database. If you want to level up your backend architecture, you are in the right place. Let's look at the code. Okay, so before we go into our project, let me introduce to you Zapier. So Zapier is basically a automation platform that you can use on your projects. Let's say you're using Google Workspace and Microsoft OneDrive, and you want to automate, transferring your data from Google to OneDrive. I believe you can do that there. I'm not sure, but the idea of it is that you can automate things that you're doing online. But it's better if I show you how this works. Okay, so I've already created a automation here. So that's my YouTube GitHub automation. So basically how it works is that every time I have a new video, it will create a GitHub issue. So this is what it's look like. So I have my trigger here, which is whenever there's a new YouTube video on my channel, it will tell GitHub to go ahead and create an issue, or Zapier will create an issue on my GitHub page. So, right, I've already run a test for this one. So if you go into my GitHub, let me this is my GitHub page, as you can see, and you go to issue, you'll see this test that I've created. So I have the name of the channel and then the video's name, and if you click that, you have the link and then the description. But on the description, there's nothing here moment, since the video does not have contain any description by the time I've tested this. Alright. Okay, so I believe you can do as many as you want for. So this is just a sample, but I'm not going to finish this one since it will not allow me, I believe. And as you can see here, there are like 7,000 apps that you can use here. You have GitHub, YouTube, Google Calendar, Forms, many more. I can just search it from here. Let's try Discord. Okay, we also have Discord. How about Facebook? Okay, Facebook is also included. So once you have selected the app, there's option below it, what type of trigger or what kind of event that will trigger this thing to happen on this other app. Okay, so what I mean is that, let's say it triggered the action here, then it will go to the app here. Let's say you have also, let's say, Google Sheets, right? You select Google Sheets and then you select, like, maybe put in an entry on the forms that I've created from the trigger. So that's it. Let's not finish that one. Did I create one accidentally? No. Okay. Now, what if you have an existing web application that you want to work with apps like Calendly or GitHub, just like what's Zapier is doing. You want to create your own webhook for another app or another web app. So I actually prepared a project here. So we have the index file or index.html under client, and we open that here. So basically what it does is it will get the full name, email address, and the day where the client would like to receive or would like to be contacted for consultation. So they'll put the date here. Let me just go ahead and start the server, but before that, let me show you the code. Now this code will be uploaded on my YouTube channel. Oh, not my YouTube channel. It will be uploaded on my GitHub. Let me just make this bigger. Okay, I hope you can see that now. So we have, for this server, we have Express, Course, and FS. That is important. FS is important here because we'll be creating the Monday underscore CRM underscore mock.json, which will save the data that was sent to our server, right? And this is the index.html, which is just like a simple HTML plus JavaScript. This is the code where it will send the information to our webhook. Okay. Just go ahead and start it now. Okay, we have that started, and then we go back to this page, the index file. So just imagine that this is part of your web application or your website. The customer is directed to this consultation page or book a consultation page, and let's enter name. Okay. Right, so sent. Okay, so the information is now sent. If you look into here, I coded the server.js to show us what information it received. So it got the name, John Wick, and email, wicked@email.com, the date, and status, which is booked. Right. And let's look into our folder here. As you can see, it's also created that JSON file, just like what I've said earlier. Let's open that on Zed. And I actually have another data here, which is from John Walker. And this is the one that we've just put in, John Wick. Right. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you learn something from this video, don't forget to like. It helps my video get pushed to other people who might benefit with this knowledge. And if you would like to see more of this type of videos, you can subscribe and switch on the bell notification to get notified every time I upload new videos. You can also follow me on my GitHub. If you have a GitHub account, you're a fellow coder such as myself. You can follow me there. And if you have questions about this video or what we're talking about here, feel free to leave questions in the comment section below. Right. So I hope to see you next time, and bye for now.